Want to measure the distance and see it live on your phone from anywhere? Sounds interesting, right? Let's build it. The ultrasonic sensor sends out sound waves and wait for the echo. Based on how fast it comes back, it calculates the exact distance. This data is then passed to the ESP8266, our smart Wi-Fi chip. The ESP sends it straight to the Blynk Cloud, where you can monitor it live from your phone, anytime, anywhere. It's fast, accurate, and yes, it's super responsive. Connect all jumper wire according to the circuit diagram. That's it, simple, right? Now let's move to the Blynk dashboard. First open Blynk Cloud and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can sign up, it's completely free. Now move to the device section and click new template, where you can name your device and select the hardware. We have to select ESP8266. Next we have to select the data stream, where it is already V0 pin selected, you can just leave it. Now we can configure our web dashboard. I have added a gauge and a graph for our distance measuring device. You can also add other indicators according to your need. After it's all done, go to the device section and click new device. Here you have to select from template you have already created, distance measure. Just click it and you will get the new credentials. Copy it and paste it in your code and you are good to go. Just replace it here. And add your Wi-Fi SSID and password here. Now select the board and hit the upload. We are ready to go now.